Now, this is the last Friday, that is chapter 18. Okay, so the person that friend Ayaw, the person he focused only on himself, and himself he hate the different good and begin to fight. I summarize this in verse 1. It is just like, for example, the death. And then see that? You see, experience that, and then now you understand. So that is in verse 18. That is chapter 18. That is verse 1. So this is so different. The good, the hate. Kasi ang person niya, why kasi you do like that? Why? Do you know why? No. Why? No. Kasi he wants to win, my friend. He wants to play. He wants, in English, the word dyan, socialized. He wants to do like that. He wants to do like that. So if you are the one, at saka, meaning yan, it's full. Yeah, it's like that. So, kasi, tinan mong ang ant, at saka maganya. Then it is wrong. Kasi that's natural the person. Kasi when you live in the depth in the house, you just live in the house, ganyan, mag-become yun sa fools. It is why important kayo mga pastor, you have to do like that, at saka magganyan, mag-help ka, magandang assignment, mag-become yan wise. Si Michael, now you see, kasi when you do like that, wala ka interaction, wala ka naglalaga ng bata, kawawa si Martin, sorry, forgive. So, true honest yan, ang depth niya, that is why ang depth culture, for example, now you understand. That is ang depth. Okay. So that is the culture. Kasi why ang depth naggalit? Why like that? Kasi ang depth he like it's like that. Kasi kapag nagganyan ka, ang meaning niyan MR. See, that's why ang the depth. It's like that. So that is the meaning of verse 1. Okay? Now verse 2. Okay, attention kayo, this is true. Please attention. Huwag mag-hurt na. Huwag mag-hurt. That is verse 2. It says, ang understanding, okay? The person na dumb. What does it mean? Meaning, if there is teaching, there is do like that purpose to help me to understand. Ang false yan, but yeah, kasi he is bored, meaning kapag boom. Question, ang deaf culture, is it right or false? Yes. Ang deaf culture is a false culture. Try mo, may deaf ba nga bumabasa, ha? Kasi when you read, it will, you understand. Like, mag-add ka pa, mag-ganyan, masarap. Now, you understand. But, question, where is the wisdom? Wala. What did you do? That is why, for example, is ito sa lim, nag-band, you have to learn. Ang purpose that you understand. Kasi mahirap ang alaga bata sa Michael. Yesterday si Kalan, he asked, I want wisdom na mag-alaga bata. Wag. Okay. Now, so you understand. That is why you have to do like that. You have to do like that. Yesterday, I was teaching, right? 25, I do like that. There is one deaf. I will not put the name. I will not kasi ang deaf mag-hard. When to Salem, I do like that. Ang deaf yan gumaganyan. Not siya nga gumaganyan. Why? It's okay. Kasi diba? But like 24, like that 24, ano yung mga deaf dito sa rin nag-explain, all mga deaf yun na mata, they do like that to me. Yes. Kaya all of them are wise. Kasi they want to understand. So if you are deaf, ganyan-ganyan ka, what does it mean? You are fools. Huwag mag-hurt. Honest. Kasi ito sila my experience. I experience learning and then I have to do like that. Kasi I want to understand. It doesn't matter you did not sleep but you want to understand. So what will you do? You do like that. Yeah, you do like that. Kasi that it's yourself that you want to understand. But if kawawa. Then, wala. And then you become fools. Yourself has to decide. That is why it says here in verse 2, the understanding ang person nga That is why si JL knew. I told him, if the death na gumaganyan-ganyan, you have to do like that. Mag-become kayan wise. Yeah. Kasi if this is kawawa. Mga wise yan. So what do you like that? That's why I remember before sa Laguna. Si Michael Paul Malet, okay, ang kanyang friend yan, gumaganyan sila ni Ismael, si Isauro, ayan, sinabin. That's why si Michael Paul maganyan-ganyan. Why? Kasi he's with sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Not siya nagawid sa mga bata, mga lokal nat. Nagawid siya dyan sa Susan, nagawid, nagaganyan-ganyan. So ang handa yan, beautiful. So that is important that. Kasi ang wrong ng church, ang mga pastor, tampat. Not sila nagaganyan, wala. That is important that church, you have to do like that kasi you have to help them. When you do like that, you have mag-wise yan. Yeah. So that is our problem. The sign kasi important ang death mag-wise. That is in verse 2. Yeah. And then you see when you learn and then he will be excited and kasi why the idea and different now that you learn. Okay, now another one, the second here, the meaning. But I think in sign in America is like that. Yeah. What is the sign of Filipino? Wala, no? Yeah, it's like that. So that is, attention kayo. Don't be hurt. Ang deaf, sorry, it's not the voice. It's full. Yeah. Ang person nga wise, ang person, I remember before, dun sa Cavite, remember si Paul? Remember dun sa Cavite? Si Paul? Wow, nag-sign. Before kasi sa Salim, I am ignorant, I don't know. And then, nag-sign siya, nag-pray siya, matagal, malapit 1 hour. Si Salim, I think maybe the truth, so I do like that. So you have to teach the deaf name. And then this is verse 3. Okay, what does it mean if you sign dapat plain and beautiful? Kasi when you sign that is evil, meaning yan you disrespect the person. So meaning you sign plain, and then meaning yan you respect the person. But you sign dirty, meaning you disrespect the person. Okay. Now sorry kasi sometimes the sign it's it's the death natural. It's the death natural. I'll give you an example. Before sa Laguna, si Jerusalem, I don't know the sign ng different name. May pwede sa CSB. Si Jerusalem, I asked, where is si Janice? And I forgot the sign ni Janice. Okay, si Jerusalem, I asked. And then si Leia. How the sign ni Leia? Leia. Okay. Si Leia, that my student. Classmate mo yun? Yeah. Oh yes, your sister classmate. So si Jerusalem, where's si Janice? And then si Leia. Now you see that? So now you see that? That is the sign. Okay. So I understand. Now later on, si Jerusalem, I copy that I in the church sa Pasig. Si Jerusalem, and then si Marian. now you understand. So the question is the sign. Yeah, kasi it's honest sign. Now kasi ang Laguna, all mga deaf sa Laguna. Last sila ng sign kasi na ganyan ba? So all the deaf sa Laguna, si Jerusalem nag-within for 5 years, wala. Why? Only sa CSB beautiful o clear. Ba, I understand it. So ang sign, it depends yan. It's not sa pangit. And then si Marian. That is si Marian. So I'm sorry it is wrong. Marian Salcino. Kasi I do like that. We get yeah, sorry. So that is why now, Khalil, nag-origin yan sa kay Leia. Yeah, it's okay. Now the verse 3 is here. And then now this is the last, the verse 4. Now you understand. Again, I repeat, it's beautiful. That is dead. Now I have question. Which is deep? Yeah. Kasi that is the sign that is true. I'm sorry, forgive. Ang English is not sa true. No? Kasi you just copy that. Yeah, it's like that. Last it says, but the fountain, that is the fountain. What is your sign for fountain? What is your sign? No. Attention, no. No, that's different. That is foundation. That is foundation. Like that. Foundation, yeah. It's different, isn't mo? That is a foundation kada yan. Now, attention kayo, ang fountain, Khalil, what's the sign? Di ba lang? Ang fountain, dun sa Manila, dun sa may Rizal Park, dun sa Luneta, yung mga water ng mga kulo-kulo dun. Yeah, what you sign for that? Yes. So, how you sign for that? Water nga gumaganyan yan. No, kasi sometimes isa lang yan. Sometimes isa, sometimes dalawa, sometimes many. So how do you sign? Fountain. Did you fountain? Okay, I think that is the water na gumaganyan. You have to sign water at saka gumaganyan. Okay? Yeah. So that is the word fountain. But ang meaning yan deep. Kasi ang mga ganyan, it's fake yan dun sa Manila. It's fake yan. Sa mga house na mga ganyan, it's fake yan. Ang true nga fountain, nagbigin ka sa ground. Sa ground. At saka may mga, you see that, yeah? The spring, the water spring. And sometimes it is strong, so magganon siya. Yeah, it's like that. You see that in the mountain. Just like in Laguna, there is a fountain. Sa Laguna, there is many. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, no? Kasi that is weak, but if it is very strong, yes, gumaganyan. Yeah. Yes. Yes, so that is the fountain. Yeah, that is the fountain. So attention guys, says here, okay, but I will sign, sorry kasi hard. But the water that's like that is like the river. It's like the river that the water. I give you for example. That is why ang mind, ang deaf na skillful sa FSL. Try ka maging try mo nga. Yes. That is why ito si JL in the future mag-become sa past. You have to train the sign need. Kasi ang pastor dapat yan. You remember before dun sa kay Nilo at saka si Jeffrey, remember that? Doon. Nagganyan pagkatapos I do like that. Ito si Nilo. Yeah, kasi ang problem kasi you memorize. That is why it's important yan ang you have to read and then maganon ka. Kasi ang FSL, if you understand, dapat yan ang mind yan gumaganyan. So, that is thing. Yung mga debt nyo ng ganyan, they just do it sa Facebook. At saka magkape-kape dun sa Amerika nga nagkaganyan-ganyan na diskape-kape yan. They don't yan. They have nothing. Ang true yan, that is in your own mind. That is your own mind. I give you for example si Eric. Ang classmate siya ni Kad. Si Eric, it's your classmate. Akapedia no. Eric? PD classmate? Yeah. It's different. Now, si Eric, I give you example. Si Eric yan, that is my, I teach siya. And then later the school, he wanted to do like that. Kasi si Eric, but I think it's like that. Kasi he showed to me. So, I think it was 3 nga gumaganyan. And then, so he did like that. Ang pinagaya dun sa lawyer. Then the girl na lawyer. Kasi ang FSL, you can read, you can understand. My mother yan, my sister can understand the FSL. You know why? My sister told me, sito sa rin, it's the same. so she understood. That is why when the lawyer read like that, why? Where you get? Kan the deaf mag-English kayo ng ganyan kan be? But 3 Oh, you get? That is in the mind. Nga gumaganyan. Oh, 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 mm, 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 mm. Yeah, now you understand. That is why it's important ang language sa wisdom. We are privileged that we have this way. For this Christmas, we thank God that there is that the deaf can read, the deaf can write, the deaf can understand, and the deaf can Ba't kawawa kasi si Eric pamatay? So, Sito Salim, I will close this in a prayer and we thank God for the learning that we have. We hope that we learn, need. Please, ikaw Roy, dapat magtanong ka, mag-learn ka ng word. Michael, need. Ikaw bawa, need mag-wise need. All of you dapat wise need. And yourself will be happy. Ang God, He will be happy. Ang God is safe.